Good evening, teacher. It's my pleasure to have you here today. And then let me introduce myself. My name is Vinh from Class 1 at the Châu High School. I will try to do my best in the presentation with my lovely group included Ngân, Phúc, and Huy.
Hello teachers, my name is Huy. I'm come from Taiwan and net to Phúc.
Hello, teacher. My name is Phúc. I think you all. I'm from Đồng Tháp. I'm moved to An Giang over 4 years ago as a student, where I dedicate worker and people person. I enjoy working as parent. I also like being in contact with public, and I invite you to continue. Ngân.
Hello, teacher. My name is Ngân.
Now let's begin. We are in the process of preparing to our future profession. This is very important to us. I will sell my path for later. So please join me to find out if the other members of my group have chosen a career yet. I will start first with IT enthusiasts. Please, what's your decision to choose?
Okay, Vinh, it's my honor to share with you about my dream job. It is the job of the computer programmer who work as a freelancer. It means I can travel anywhere and work anywhere I want as long as I have a laptop and internet connection. This job involves writing software for other companies who need the software to solve some problem in daily life or in the company operation. In fact, my actual job is to make life and the operation process easier with my computer program. To be suitable for this job, first of all, I need to have teamwork skill because when a program is written, it has to be tested by other programmers to achieve the results. Therefore, communication is one of the crucial criteria. More than that, since computer science changes rapidly every year, self-study is especially needed to keep up with the change. Lastly, creativity is taken into consideration as it decides if my software is competitive or not. I think this job is perfect for me because I can help make the life of my customer easier. Imagine or the administrative staff in a company were or carry out manually that the company wouldn't function its maximum capacity. Plus, thanks to this job, I can practice my soft skills like the communication skill, presentation skill, interpersonal skill, and negotiation skill. And the last reason which I think is the most appeal one is that this job nowadays really perfect. I have never met any computer programmer who have a low income for sure. So that's all I would like to say about my dream job. Thank you for listening. And we continue to Phúc with his dream job.
Thank you, Huy. Hello. In modern society, there are lots of jobs which help country develop. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor in order to help sick people. I think that healthy is an important factor in develop in developing country, and doctor will be the people who help people ensure their health. Besides healthy power, therefore doctor bring happiness to several disadvantaged families. Doctors are often said to be second mother because of saving a lot of life. Although it is not easy to become doctor because students who want to graduate from medicine university have to learn at least 11 years or even a most even most their own life. But I will of my dream. I will try to my best to become a doctor who sell a lot of life and help country in brief purpose. And my reputation is over, and I continue now.
When I was a kid, my friend was honest me about my future job in the future. I thought an only to be impersonate. Salesperson are often for selling a certain product. The reason I don't impersonate so much is because my dad is an extremely good impersonate man. I always admire him. Now, in addition to studying, I also research more material and read books to understand more about different way of selling. I like the time I spent sitting with my dad talking about customer needs, the market, or how to handle a rising problem. This is a job I always dream of. I will try to become a good businessman in the future. These are my direction. And you, Vinh, what would you like to be in the future?
Thank you, Ngân. Someone asked me, what is your dream? There are many choices in me. Engineer, lawyer, individual, and in the end, I chose the profession of lecturer. Because finding a job is not easy these days. I want to do a safe career with little competition, and that's why I choose it. Lecturers are people with professional qualifications who carry out teaching or specialized training at a high level above the general level. Lecturers often work at college, university, or secondary schools. They are people who have specialized knowledge in depth study of a certain specialty or field of work. Sometimes they are those who take on a key role in a teaching job in a certain discipline or subject. They can teach at a different level such as intermediate, college, university, or graduate, and it is going to try for throughout my future student life. To become a university lecturer, you must at least have a high degree of expertise in your major. In addition, you also need to have root of qualification. Currently, the minimum requirement of university lecturer is to have a master degree or higher. They don't just stop at a master degree, but also have a doctorate, associate professor, and professor. Each level of lecturer's degree has different requirements as well as different remuneration regimes. The forms of teacher's promotion exam include many steps. The purpose of this step is to ensure the basic needs of a lecturer as well as to ensure the quality of teaching and training in the future. These are our direction for the future, and I hope that I and my lovely team members will achieve what we want. And I believe that that is a part of your success. So that's all. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye, teachers.
Goodbye, teacher.